days later.
After several days of troubleshooting in this unit, I decided to replace a mainboard. So I will post it on internet. Then I found that there's a person that has available mainboard. Then I grab it. So here it is.
Ini sama.
Ayo, mesti.
Klaro.
Ya, oke lah. The packaging of this mainboard is very nice. It's very safe. It's a double bubble wrap. So we continue to open this one. This is our replacement mainboard. It's a second hand from the other LG unit.
Wow.
So for now we are going to replace the old mainboard, and this is our replacement mainboard. As we notice, they are not the same as the original. Some of the parts don't have, like the IC at the top. The replacement has don't have, but the other are the same. Like the Bluetooth connection, the replacement has no Bluetooth. So we will try this one. But the others is the same. This is the Bluetooth module that our replacement don't have the terminal for this one. So we are not going to use this one. This is the connection from the original mainboard. and this is our replacement mainboard. It don't have the connection for the Bluetooth module, so we hope that it will works. So let's start to replace the mainboard. Now the original mainboard is already removed. As we observe, this replacement mainboard is smaller than the original mainboard, but the screws are still can hold. So I'm going to put the screws now. Then we're going to connect the connections of each wires. Then the power connection, power supply. Then the next we'll just adjust the ribbon so it can reach the mainboard, our replacement mainboard. We are now connect the ribbon. You just carefully insert it to avoid damage the ribbon. So for now we are almost done with this replacement of mainboard. Then I connect the antenna cable so I can test to scan the channel for TV tuner input. Okay. So we're going to test now for our replacement mainboard on LG LED TV. Then I plug this one. Then we try to scan for tuner if it will work. So power on. Then we check. This is very big, so I need to have other person to hold. Okay, the TV is already on. Then we go to menu, then we scan for the tuner. Start the scan, auto tune, then press start. Okay, we'll just wait that later when we try to test again. Okay, and this is our final testing. This was HDMI input. Okay, then we try to select the USB. This is USB. Okay, USB is okay now. And this is PC input. These are the connections that I connected. Okay, our inputs now are working. So thank you for watching, everyone. Then we change our input into a TV. Okay, that's from the tuner input. We have now a TV signal. Then we go back to USB. Okay, so it works. Our replacement board is good. So I hope you got some tips on how to solve a problem on inputs no signal. So that's it. This is an AV input. Okay. All inputs is working now. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, then click the bell button for more updates. So see you next on my next vlog.